परसेंटेज ऑफ स्टील कम हो तो कुछ मत करो, सिर्फ उसके थिकनेस को कम कर दो, ऑटोमेटिक परसेंटेज ऑफ स्टील बढ़ जाएगा। ठीक है, जैसे किसी चीज़ का वेट फिक्स हो तो उसका एक चीज़ निकाल दिया तो दूसरा अपने आप क्या बोलते हैं हो जाएगा। ठीक है, 1% से ज़्यादा आ रहा है कोई दिक्कत नहीं, 1.5% तक चल जाएगा। छोटे बिल्डिंग्स के लिए 1.5% तक चलेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। चलो जी, बहुत अच्छी बात है, आप लोग रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा प्रयास कर रहे हैं, बुक दैट्स ग्रेट। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द मॉक फर्स्ट। आई जस्ट वांट टू सी कि आपने एक हफ्ते में कुछ इंप्रूव किया है कि नहीं खुद को। होप सो आप लोगों ने किया हो, ठीक है ना। और फेल पास ये तो चलो अभी पूरी सीरीज ही बाकी है, एक एक करके देखेंगे। ओके, नाउ विल स्टार्ट विथ वन बाय वन। सो उस समय पर आप अपना माइक ऑन करना, जो कंफर्टेबल है टू ऑन द वीडियोज ऑल्सो दे कैन। ठीक है, आई विल स्टार्ट विथ अनिल कुमार। मिस्टर अनिल कुमार दास, आर यू रेडी फॉर द मॉक राइट नाउ? ओके,
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग। अनिल, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
I'm Anil Kumar Dey. I completed my engineering in the year 2019 from Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore. After that, I worked as a site engineer about 2 years in Sadhguru Infrastructure Private Limited. Along with that, I did an internship the Unique Civil online coaching platform where I learned about AutoCAD and StatPro.
Okay. Anil, what is the full form StatPro?
Structural Analysis and Design Program, sir.
Structures Analysis and Design Program.
Yes.
What is the file format? What is the file format of
File
StatPro?
format of StatPro is
Yes. File format of StatPro.
.std, sir.
.std. Great. Who is the founder of AutoCAD?
The founder of AutoCAD is John Walker, sir.
Very good. Okay. Which IS code we use for seismic analysis?
For seismic analysis, we use IS 1893.
1893. Which part? 1994, 2000, 2016, 2016. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anil, why should I hire you? Why should I hire you? Yes.
I have the skills what your company is demanding, sir, and I will fulfill. I will utilize that opportunity and to contribute 100% what I can capable of, sir.
Very good.
For the growth of the company as well as my individual growth, sir.
For how long you can join our companies? For how
As long as I am.
Yes, yes.
I can assure you that, sir, as long as I am getting good opportunities in the company and if I am getting the growth, sir, I will definitely work with you, sir.
Okay. You like suppose I have you have two choices. One is to become a structure engineer, and one is to become a team leader of your particular teams. Which one you want to choose and why? One is as a structure engineer, one is team leader of structure engineers. Which one do you want to choose and why? Getting my question?
I will choose to work as a team. Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Continue.
I choose to work as a team leader, sir, because I have the leadership quality that I can implement on my team. Also, I can learn from them. We have as a team we can work at a time for a single goal, and we can learn as a team, and it's we get the opportunity to learn from other also, sir. So I will try to be as an team leader for the for a growth of certain tasks, sir.
Okay, but if you become a TL, then definitely if you are going to learn from them, definitely they feel like you are going to learn them. How can you become a team leader of that team? You can give the answers like this: ki, first of all, I want to become a structure engineer. After that, as per my capabilities, if I prove myself as a team leader, you can promote me as a team leader. Okay, first of all, learning is
Okay.
important na, because you don't have experience. If you have a 1 year experience, definitely your answer is team leader. पर अभी तुम्हारे पास क्या स्ट्रक्चर्स का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है ना. So first of all, you choose the structure engineering job. After that, you can see as per my management qualities, as per my previous experience, I think I am capable for TL profile after 1 years. है ना? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Anil. And I'll just give you feedback later. This was nice. Patil, Atis
Thank you,
Patil.
sir.
Okay. Atis Patil.
Yes, sir. Hello,
Okay.
sir.
Hello. Atis, what was your project in college? Means in your masters?
Sir, wind load analysis of pre-engineering building by using different type of bracing patterns.
Okay. Just define what is pre-engineering buildings.
Pre-engineering buildings are similar to conventional steel building, but the difference is there is a um, uh, it has some benefits
Okay.
that sir हिंदी बता सकता हूँ.
बताओ.
सर वहाँ पे हम बहुत सारा स्टील है वो बचा सकते हैं प्री इंजीनियरिंग बिल्डिंग पे. उसका जो बेंडिंग मोमेंट और शियर फोर्स आता है वो सारे का सारा पूरा मेंबर पे नहीं आता. मतलब वो कुछ फॉर्म में लगता है, तो सिर्फ वहीं पे ज्यादा स्टील रहना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. तो इससे अपना जो स्टील रहता है ओवरऑल स्टील उसमें बहुत सारी बचत होती है. मतलब जैसे कि 30% तक 25 to 30% तक स्टील अपना बच सकता है इससे प्री इंजीनियरिंग बिल्डिंग से. सो इसलिए ये आजकल मार्केट में प्री इंजीनियरिंग बिल्डिंग का बहुत डिमांड है.
Okay. How can you save your 35 to 30, 25 to 30% you said, na? How can you save that steel in PV?
सर जो मतलब जहाँ पे शेयर फोर्स और बेंडिंग मोमेंट मैक्सिमम रहता है वहीं पे ज्यादा स्टील लगता है सिर्फ, और बाकी के पोर्शन पे स्टील का उतना जरूरत नहीं रहता, तो वो हम सेव कर सकते हैं.
You can just say कि as per bending moment, we provide the we provide the steel in PV. Okay. So if
Okay, sir.
if moment is maximum, we utilize the maximum steel there. If moment is minimum, we provide the less steel there. So according to this method, we can save at least 30% of the steel as per the conventional steel.
ओके सर.
Okay. Okay. So because this is your project, na? They can ask.
यस सर.
Okay.
यस सर.
What was your project in degree?
Analysis of G plus 12 stories building by using GitHub software.
Explain.
Sir, first of all, I have a plan. I have plan a building. I have a building plan, and I make a plan in AutoCAD and then import on ETABS and different type of loadings I will use for analysis. Seismic loading, dead load, wind load, live load, etc. And sir, it's just a simple analysis project. So analysis and modeling work I had done in ETABS.
Okay. Analysis and you done that only. So which IS
Yes.
code you use for that?
Sir, IS 456 for concrete, IS 800 2007 for steel, and 1893 for seismic load.
1893 for seismic load. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which IS code we use for live load?
Sir, I think 456.
456. And for dead
2000.
load?
Sir, same IS code.
456.
Uh,
Okay. And
Not sure, sir.
for earthquake,
1893.
which version?
Part 3.
1893.
Oh, part 2 or part 3, sir. Not remember.
Yes, this is important question. No? Why should I hire you, Atish?
Sir, I know I am not different from another candidate, rest of candidate, but I have a hunger of knowledge, hunger of getting knowledge. So this skill is helpful in my life, in my degree. So definitely, my this skill is used for your company.
Okay. Where you want to see yourself in next 5 years?
Uh, at a senior structural engineer post, sir.
Okay.
At
As a senior structural engineer, right?
yes,
What's your
sir.
salary expectations for now?
Um, 25 to 30,000.
25 to 30,000. Okay. For how long you can provide the service of yours in my company?
Uh, sir, if I get the growth, I will stay in your company
Okay. As per the growth.
as per the growth, yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I just offer you the 30,000, okay, and after 15 days or 30 days you got the new offer of 35,000. So what will be your steps?
No, sir, I will loyal to your company because because as per I job need you hire me from rest of the candidate. So this is my duty to loyal with you.
Okay, good, very good. Thank you so much, Ratish.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Azim, Ahmad. After that, Vikram. Azim.
Sir,
Okay, okay. Done.
5 minutes.
Okay. Vikram.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Vikram, tell me something about yourself which is not mentioned in your CV.
Sir, in CV that's mentioned I love to playing cricket and I love to
You love to play cricket.
and watching movies sometime and I love to meet friends with weekend. I love to do weekend.
Okay. Your nearest, tell me your nearest three friends' name and what they are doing.
Rohan, Anubhav and Shantanu.
Okay. What they are
Rohan
doing?
is currently doing BTech, currently got a job in Wipro. Anubhav currently doing job. Shantanu currently doing B.Pharm in Durgapur.
B firm.
Yes, sir.
And third one?
Sir, Rohan currently job at Wipro. Anubhav is continue job last 6 months.
Okay.
He is currently in Delhi or Shantanu doing B.Pharm in Durgapur
Okay.
in West Bengal.
So they are your best friends, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Why I asked the question?
Sir, don't know.
Your growth is depend on these three friends. Some of
Okay,
their
sir.
growths divide by 3. That is your growth.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Okay, sir.
okay. So it's for everyone. Remember this. This is for everyone. If your friends are doing better things in their lives, it may be different things. Like your friends are doing good, definitely you will be go for the. You will think like that. कि, okay, if he is doing, तो इंसान की इंसानियत वहीं तक बढ़ती है जहाँ तक वो देख पाता है ना, वहीं तक थॉट सोच पाता है, राइट? if I just saw the pen, then only I can see think about the pen. अगर मैंने कभी पेन देखा नहीं है तो how can I think about pen? So this is something like that. Okay. Vikram, what was your project in degree?
Sir, currently I am in 7th sem. My
Okay,
project
7
is
7. Okay, and you a diploma holder?
yes, sir.
Okay, what was your project in diploma?
Sir, in diploma slab detailing, just
Normal.
G+2 slab detailing.
Okay. In slabs, we provide the in corners meshings. What is the use of meshings? We provide the meshing na in corners. What is the use of that meshings?
Sir, don't you?
Why we provide cranks in slab?
Cranks. For sir, one word.
Explain what were you think? Difference between one-way slab and two-way slabs.
Sir, length by width is greater than 2 one way and less than 2 two way slab.
Okay. Other? Only one?
Sir, in one way slab load distribute one side, two side. In two way slab load distribute every side.
Four sides. Every side कैसे करोगे? Four sides.
Four sides, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Vikram, you know how to calculate slab depth या thickness?
How to calculate? No, sir.
Okay, whatever your project is for everyone, whatever your project, try to find out every questions related to your projects. मैंने ग्रुप में क्या डाला था कि whatever your projects, just send me that project. Why?
Yes, sir.
Because I know कि whatever your projects, because see, you don't have any industrial experience, so how can I ask the question related to industry? Okay, so I have only one option as an interviewer कि your project. So I'm just checking your knowledge as per your projects. Okay.
Okay.
What's your strength, Vikram?
Sir, I am a good quick learner and I can. Sir, मैं किसी के साथ easily मिल सकता हूँ. Good learner.
Okay. And any other strengths? Your weaknesses?
Sir, weakness. I got nervous sometime when I meet some new people, but I try to overcome with it.
You just said कि I can easily talk with any persons. Your strength, and you just said your weakness is you feel nervous.
But now I try to overcome with it.
See, what's your answer?
Yes, sir.
In strength, you said कि like easily I can talk with others, right?
Easily, yes, sir.
And your like weakness is you feel nervous when you talk with new persons.
So when I said first meet, I got some nervousness.
Okay, so these both are matchings. Okay, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है ना कि जिसको बात करना भी जिसके लिए इजी हो और नर्वस भी जो होता हो. Okay, so you can say कि I am retail oriented, और you can say कि ये मेरी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है, मेरी वीकनेसेस ही है. ठीक है, स्ट्रेंथ में हो सकता है कि तुम्हारे काम में एक्यूरेसी हो, वर्कोहोलिक हो तुम, ये भी हो सकता है तुम्हारे वीकनेस में कि you feel like first of all I just complete the works, then only I can do the other one, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Become what other things you have compared to others, because there are many candidates outside of this room. Why should I hire you? What's different you have?
I don't think there is so many difference from me in the other student, but I think I am a good learner and I can give your company as long as possible. And when I start some project, I never give up this project. I continue it till the last.
Okay. What's your salary expectations?
Sir, as I am freshers, my salary expectation as per industry norms.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Vikram. Nice to talk with you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Nitin Sharma ji. Nitin Sharma.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, Nitin. Nitin, introduce yourself.
My name is Nitin Sharma, and I have done my graduation from Swami Vivekanand College in 2019, and nowadays I live in Indore. And nowadays I'm learning software from Unix Civil platform.
और अट्रैक्टिव नहीं बना सकते इस इंट्रोडक्शन को? सोचो क्या अलग कर सकते हैं. व्हेन यू जस्ट सेड कि nowadays आई एम लर्निंग द सॉफ्टवेयर्स फ्रॉम यूनिक्स, राइट? इसके
Yes,
जगह
sir.
पर अगर इसको थोड़ा सा और अच्छे से इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए तो माई सेल्फ नितिन एंड आई एम पास आउट इन 2019 बैच फ्रॉम दिस कॉलेज.
Yes, sir.
And right now I am doing the internship in structures, and in that internship I am learning AutoCAD industrial levels. StatPro I am learning in StatPro RCC design, steel designs I am learning with IS codes, and there are different IS code we are using in StatPro. IS 1893, IS 875, IS 800. अट्रैक्टिव लग रहा है थोड़ा?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, थोड़ा सा उनको अपने टेक्निकल पावर को दिखाना पड़ेगा ना.
जी सर.
ठीक है, तुम्हारे एक्सपीरियंस में तुम्हारा कैसे जा रहा था? देखो तुमने यूनिक सिविल से सीखा है, कुछ यूनिक नहीं हुआ ना. ये तो हर कोई सीख रहा है कहीं ना कहीं से तो ना. तो तुम
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा उसको ना ऐसे देखो, इंटरव्यूअर को यही एक टाइम होता है जहां पर हम अपने नॉलेज को दिखा सकते हैं. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
और तुम कभी वो देखो उसका क्या बोलते हैं, तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा देखते हो?
जी.
देखते हो कि कभी उसके में अब्दुल की दुकान है ना? अब्दुल की दुकान है क्या तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा?
हाँ.
देखे हो? ठीक है. अब अब्दुल की दुकान
हाँ,
पूरी
हाँ.
तरीके से फेक है, लेकिन वो क्या करता है, सबको सामने ही रखता है, तो ऐसा लगता है कि इसकी दुकान में बहुत कुछ है.
हाँ.
राइट? तो मतलब क्या है, मतलब ये है कि तुमने कितना पढ़ा हुआ है. ठीक है, मान लेता हूँ तुम्हारे पास बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, बहुत नॉलेज है तुम्हारे पास, लेकिन तुमने जब जरूरत पड़ी तो दिखाया ही नहीं, है ना? तो वहां पर क्या हुआ कि जरूरत तो यही है, अभी सामने ही तो तुमको दिखाना, इसी से तुम्हारा पता चलेगा कि भाई इस चीज को, अभी मान लो कि मेरे पास एक ग्लास है, तो अब ये ग्लास जो है मेरे पास हो सकता है कि 100 तरह के अच्छे अच्छे ग्लास होंगे मार्केट, मतलब मेरे गोडाउन में, लेकिन मैंने दुकान में तो गंदी सी वो ग्लास रखी हुई है, तो बेच ही नहीं पाया ना मैं तो.
जी.
ठीक है, और बेच भी पाया तो हो सकता था मैं इस अच्छे ग्लास का प्राइस में लगभग 400-500 का बेनिफिट उठाता, लेकिन 20 रुपए में बेचना पड़ गया. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने उसको शो नहीं किया अच्छे से. तो जस्ट आज सोचना, सभी लोग सोचना कि हम अपने इंट्रोडक्शन को कितना टेक्निकल मैनर में कर सकते हैं. तो आई एम दिस, currently I am living here and my pass out year is this from this college. Currently I am learning the currently I am doing the internship in structure engineering and that is near to complete. ऐसे बोल दो, that is near to complete, क्योंकि इंटरव्यूअर क्या बोलेगा, बोलेगा मैं इंटर्नशिप कर रहा, पता नहीं कब तक करेगा. That is near to complete, and in that internship I learn a lot. There are different things like StatPro, AutoCAD. I learn in StatPro we are using this code. In AutoCAD we use the RERA rules, building by laws, and there are some others rule like Vastu also we follow. There are many plans we are doing, section, elevation, detailings we are doing. तो अब क्या हुआ, तुमने सारा नॉलेज ही इंट्रोडक्शन को, जब तक सामने वाला नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ना पुट करे ना, बोलते जाओ.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो दिस इज द वे यू एवरीवन कैन क्रैक इजिली देयर इंटरव्यूज. और आप सब याद रखो कि जो आप इंट्रोडक्शन में देते हो वहीं से रिप्रेजेंट होता है कि इस बंदे को रखना है. आगे के जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं सिर्फ फॉर्मेलिटी होता है, वहीं से डिसाइड होता है कि इस बंदे को रखना है कि नहीं रखना है. माइंड में वहीं पर सेट हो जाता है कि हाँ यार कुछ तो है, इसके अंदर क्वालिटी है. ओके नितिन, what was your project in degree? Nitin, what was your project in degree?
Sorry, sir.
What was your project in degree?
My project was a residential building, about residential building.
Over residential buildings. Okay. What you did in that residential building? Explain about that project.
Actually, sir, frankly, we did nothing in that project. We just copy and paste that.
अभी इंटरव्यू में गड़बड़ हो गया ना?
Yes, sir.
इंटरव्यू में अगर तुमने ऐसा बोल दिया तो क्या होगा? सीधी सीधी बात है कि जब तुम कॉपी पेस्ट वहां करे थे तो मेरी कंपनी में तुम कौन सा नया करने वाले हो? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
जी.
तो यहाँ पर तुम्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा, बहुत स्मार्टली बताना पड़ेगा. स्मार्टली क्या बताना पड़ेगा? अब तुम बोल सकते हो G+3 बिल्डिंग्स एनालिसिस एंड डिजाइन हमने किया हुआ था. किसमें किया था? अभी तो इतना तो StatPro पढ़ ही चुके हो. ठीक है, बोलने का कि वी डिड द प्लानिंग्स ऑफ 1000 स्क्वायर फीट प्लान and the dimension was front is 20 feet and back was 50 feet, and we just create the plans a 2 BHK, G+2, G+3, whatever you want. And after that we just analyze in the StatPro with the seismic analysis. We use the code of seismic is IS 1893. तो देखो जो तुम्हारे पास क्या हो रहा है, मेरे पास कुछ और नहीं, कम्युनिकेशन का पावर से मैं उसको बढ़ा रहा हूँ ना,
Yes,
ठीक है। तो ये याद रखो कि अभी जो मैं टी शर्ट पहना हूँ, इस टी शर्ट को अगर मैं रीबॉक के शोरूम में गया या फिर जो क्या जॉकी के शोरूम में गया, तो मैं इस टी शर्ट का आराम से 1500 रुपये दे के आऊँगा, और यही टी शर्ट को अगर मैं रोड पे खरीदा तो 100 रुपये से ज़्यादा नहीं दूंगा ना। ये
Yes,
हुआ
sir.
किया क्या मैंने, 15 गुना हमने रेट बढ़ा दिया, किस चीज़ से, शो ऑफ से, ठीक है। यही तो तुम्हें करना है, ठीक है। बहुत से IIT NIT के बच्चे हैं, तुम बिलीव नहीं करोगे, देयर आर वेरी लेस नॉलेज इन लाइक अगर मैं उनसे टेक्निकली पूछता हूँ, बातें जब होती हैं हमारी, तो मैं देखता हूँ बहुत कम नॉलेज रहता है, बट एक टैग लगा हुआ है ना IIT NIT, दे आर गेटिंग वेरी गुड पैकेज। तो मतलब क्या है, मतलब ये तुम्हें शो करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को ब्रांडेड पर्सन की तरह, ऐसा लगना चाहिए प्रोफेशनल सिविल इंजीनियर हमारे से बात कर रहा है, प्रोफेशनल स्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियर बात कर रहा है हमसे, राइट।
Yes. Yes, sir.
अभी तुम्हारे अपने को लग रहा होगा कि यार यहाँ पर मैं देखो, अभी मैं नितिन को समझा रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि केवल नितिन हमारे टारगेट है, इसका मतलब है कि हम सबके लिए ये चीज़ देखना है हमको, है ना। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच नितिन। ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ कि हमारे इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे बेटर हो और प्रोजेक्ट हम कैसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकें, ठीक है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट
Okay.
है।
Definitely, sir.
ओके चलो,
Thank you, sir.
ओके नाउ नेक्स्ट इज Azim. Now okay, you okay right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Azim, what's your project in degree?
Sir, my residential building of G+5, sir, in ETAPS.
Residential buildings in G+5. Okay, in ETAPS.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What is the full form of ETAPS?
And three-dimensional,
Extended three-dimensional
external three-dimensional.
analysis building system.
Yes.
Okay, so you did the by AutoCAD. You import the from AutoCAD, or you just create the grids in ETAPS?
No, sir, I have imported from AutoCAD.
Okay, what is the file format of like ETAPS?
.etb.
Dot
ETB, sir.
EDB.
EDB, sorry, EDB.
When you export file from AutoCAD, what
Yes.
is the file format of AutoCAD at that time?
DXF or DWG, sir. We can import two in ETAPS.
Dot .dxf.
Yes, sir. .dxf or
Not
.dwg.
Yes, there are many different between dot and without dot. Okay, so you can say
Okay.
dot .dwg.
Okay.
How many members in that your project?
Sir, we are a group of 5 people at that time.
What was your role in that project?
Sir, my role is for modeling a building.
Modeling or building means you create the
Yes, sir.
grids.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Grid and frame as well, sir.
Frame as well. Okay.
Yes.
So, what was the larger span you remember?
Sir, my larger span at the time is 20 feet.
How can you calculate the depth of that 20 feet?
Span by 16.
वेरी गुड। सो एवरीवन देखो कि इसने क्या किया, इसने एक्सप्लेन करता चला जा रहा है प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में, मैं प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर घुसता चला जा रहा हूँ, यही करना होता है, ठीक है, वेरी गुड। अजीम, वेयर यू वांट टू सी योरसेल्फ इन नेक्स्ट 5 years?
Sir, basically, I want to become a first successful structural engineer. After that, I want to open my own consultants. Sir,
Okay.
I want to become a structural consultant.
So basically you just want to become my competitor.
Yes, sir.
So why should I hire you?
Sir, for at the beginning, I want to learn from your company.
Wow, means I'm just going to create my own competitor. मतलब मेरे पेट पर लात मारने वाले हो और मैं तुमको ही सिखाऊं? ये तो वही हो गया कि कुत्ता
Yes, sir.
डॉगी बोल रहा है कि मुझे पालो, मैं बड़ा होकर तुमको काटूंगा।
जी।
तो why should I hire you? Okay, never say like this.
Okay.
So you can just say कि like I just want to become a structure engineer first of all, and this is my primary goal, and this is my like long term goal is I want just want to become a managerial position, or I just want to become a senior structure engineer. कंपनी को कभी ये नहीं प्रूफ करना है कि मुझे ये करना है, ठीक है। ये अगर ऐसे तुमने बोल दिया तो फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, फिर कोई रखेगा ही नहीं
जी।
ठीक है। कोई भी अब तुम मान लो किसी भी शहर में हो, ठीक है, तो कोई भी अपना अपने ही पैर पे कांटा क्यों लगाएगा यार, गॉट इट, ठीक है। ओके, व्हाट्स योर सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेशन सजीम?
सर अराउंड 25 to 30.
Around 25 to 30. So what you are going to provide me in 25 to 30,000? What services you can easily provide me?
Sir, I can provide. I first of all, I will try to design an economical building, sir. For that, we can get more clients from. We can get more clients, sir.
Means you are ready to provide the like economical project design, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what are you going to do according to that? Like sir, I can do this, and according to that, I can do the economical designs. Any tips you can provide us?
Yes, sir. First of all, while assigning an earthquake seismic analysis, we have the two direction, from Z direction and from X direction. So basically, we can do only from X direction or in Z direction, sir. With the help of, we can reduce the steel.
Okay, means basically you're just going to provide the short loads, minimum loads.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. What
And we can also use the WC blocks, sir, for
WC,
reducing the dead
exactly.
load.
Very good. What is the density of PCC?
PCC density is 24
24
kilonewton per meter. Yeah.
24 kilonewton per meter. Sure?
Yes, sir.
Meter?
Meter cube, sorry.
Meter cube. There's lots of difference between meter and meter
Yes.
cube. Okay, very good. What's your strength?
Sir, my strength is I can design an economical building, and I can be a team leader as well. So
Okay.
that is my strength.
Okay, good. Thank you so much, Mr. Ajay. This was nice.
Thank you.
Rehan?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. After Rehan Chaudhary. Rehan, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself,
Hello.
Rehan. Introduce yourself.
I am Mohammad Rehan. I am MTech Structure graduate. I am currently pursuing internship under Unix Civil. During my internship period, I have learned how to design the different buildings, residential and commercial buildings, and apart from design the buildings, I have also drafted the different kind of plans through AutoCAD. And after I am not only well versed in only designing the buildings and structures. After designing, also I am very well versed in the detailing and drafting of the structures. And in that learning process, I came to know that how the structure works, and what the structure load path of the structures. And
Very good.
thank you, sir.
ओके, ये हो गया हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन, हो गया टेक्निकल वे में ना। अब इसको डायरेक्ट थिंक क्यों बोल दो, गड़बड़ हो जाएगा ना। ये तो हमने टेक्निकली हमने आपको बता दिया। इसके बाद तुम क्या बता सकते हो कि अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस like if I'll talk about my strengths, so my strengths are, ठीक है, तुम बोल सकते हो कि like मैं क्या बोलते हैं एक्यूरेसी के साथ काम करता हूँ, ठीक है। तुम्हारा स्ट्रेंथ दूसरा हो सकता है कि मैं लाइक टाइम पेशेंस पर्सन हो, ठीक है। जो तुम्हारे स्ट्रेंथ है वो अपने स्ट्रेंथ गिना सकते हो, मतलब अचानक से बंद नहीं करना अपने इंट्रोडक्शन को, राइट। स्टार्टिंग में बहुत अच्छा किया था, वेरी गुड। Rehan, what was your project in degree?
Sir, my project was analysis and design of multi-story building to prevent disproportionate collapse.
To prevent?
The disproportionate collapse.
Explain about disproportionate collapse.
So, the collapse to an extent more than the cause of the collapse. For example, if a disproportionate collapse, for example, in a building, if there is in critical element, if not a critical element, if it might be a minute element, If that element fails, the entire building should not collapse. For example, in 1968, in a Ronald Point building, what happened in UK? It was the first high skyscraper in the 12-story building. Due to the gas burst, the partition wall collapsed. Due to the partition wall, the whole slab was collapsed, and that 12 floor slab was collapsed to the lower story, and this caused the disproportionate collapse. And hence this summary is for small the structure which may not be heavier structure or that of importance, that might be filed, but the entire story building might not be filed.
Okay. What was your project? What was your pass out year of masters?
2020 process.
And what was your project in degree?
Sir, in degree it was analysis and design of RCC structures.
Okay, means both are near to same.
Yes.
Okay.
Near to same.
So what was the IS code you used for that?
Sir, in my project I used the BS code for BS code. In that BS code, EN code, EN handbook for the disproportionate collapse was used. By using those codal provisions, we design the buildings, such as, for example, if the buildings for one vertical element in ETABS, if we prepare a plan, if for example, one column or beam, we remove it at a times, and we check that adjacent element or adjacent beam, it is capable of taking the load. If first we design the building for the factor load, and we check only for serviceable load, because during collapse there will be only serviceable load occurs, because during collapse earthquake and collapse will not occur at a sudden time. This sudden collapse load and earthquake load will not occur at a sudden time. So we design building for earthquake and wind, and after that we remove column and check for the service load. If after the remove column that the particular adjacent beam might fail, if that beam fail, we will provide an extra steel. Otherwise, if we will check, we can provide the tie to the adjacent beam by providing the tie to the adjacent beam. For example, we can link the top reinforcement of the one particular beam to the another adjacent particular beam, so that it will act as a tie. And after acting the tie, for example, if column fails also, the beam will be there, and it will give time to the people, so it can come out of the building before the collapse. It will give significant times for people to come out of building.
Okay, great. So this was your project in masters or degree?
Master, sir.
Okay, so you have all data because your project is interesting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rehan,
Yes, sir.
what's your selling expectations? What's your selling
Hello.
expectations? What's your selling expectations?
Sir, as per the industry terms and my capabilities,
Okay.
yes, sir.
As, which IS code we use for live load?
Sir, IS 875 part 2.
Very good. Okay, great. Rehan, where do you want to see yourself in next 5 years?
Sir, I want to be seen as a senior structural engineer in your company, sir.
Okay, very good. Nice. बहुत अच्छा आंसर दिया तुमने. Good. Now next
Thank you,
is okay. Next आतिश हो गए हैं, अजीम भी हो गए हैं. हसन on your mic please. इसके बाद आलम. हसन on your mic please. ठीक है. चलो I think हसन.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello. Hassan, introduce yourself.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Hello. Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. My name is Muhammad Intakal. I am from Bihar, Darbhanga. That I am doing 1.5 years in civil site. After that, I leave my job and going to government competitive exam for preparation purpose. And nowadays, I am doing internship in Unix Civil for structural engineering.
And you can just explain about your internship.
That's
You can just explain about your internship.
Right now I'm doing I completed my AutoCAD and right now I'm doing Stat Pro.
Okay. What is the use of purge command in AutoCAD?
Sorry, sir.
What is the use of purge command in AutoCAD? Purge. First time you heard about this command?
Sir, some network issue. I can't listen you properly.
Okay. I said what is the use of purge command? Purge. Okay, wait. If
Sorry, sir.
you heard about that, what I said? तुमने सुना मैंने क्या बोला?
Yeah. Towards command, yes, sir. But I don't know, sir. Sorry.
Okay. What is the use of overkill command?
Yeah, in overline, kill overline. You know overline.
Okay. What is polyline?
Polyline is just like a line, but if you erase if you select one line, you also select all line.
Combination of line is called polyline. ऐसे बोलना चाहिए. Combination of line is called polyline. What is the shortcut key for polyline?
PL.
PL. What is the shortcut for construction line command?
Excel enter.
X. Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Ashton. Okay, nice to talk with you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, Samir. After Samir, Alam. Samir. Okay. I think Samir is not ready right now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, good evening, sir.
Good evening. You are ready?
Yes, sir.
How's your health?
Sorry, sir.
How's your health? अब तुम्हारा health कैसा है?
Sir, health is little bit okay, sir. अभी ठीक नहीं है हुआ अच्छे से, सर. मतलब खांसी आ जाता है अगर मेडिसिन ना लूं, बीमार हो जाता हूँ मेडिसिन ना लूं.
वही प्रॉब्लम मेरी भी है. Okay. खांसी आ जाती है और थोड़ा भी अभी थोड़ा ठंडा पानी पी रहा था, खांसी आ रही थी, इसलिए बंद कर दिया पानी पीना.
नहीं, मैं पानी तो गर्मी पीता हूँ सर, बस अगर मेडिसिन ना लूं तो फिर से हो जाता है.
ओके. कौन सी मेडिसिन लिया तुमने?
अभी तो सिटी पोर्ट चल रहा है सर, पैरासीटामोल एंड कफ सिरप.
ठीक
मैं
है.
जाऊंगा सर कल फिर चेक कराने, तो उनको बताऊंगा.
गर्म पानी पियो. गर्म पानी ही सबसे बेस्ट सोल्यूशन है, बिकॉज
ओके सर.
ये तो सबसे बेस्ट मुझे मेडिसिन यही लगा. ओके.
हाँ सर, काढ़ा
हाँ, काढ़ा भी अच्छा रहता है लेकिन पिया नहीं जाता है यार.
नहीं सर, पीऊंगा. मैं अभी सजेस्ट किया था किसी ने, आज या कल.
Okay. Samir, tell me something about yourself which you not mention in your resume.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Samir Chaudhary.
My question is what? Tell me about your means. I said कि tell me something about yourself which you not mention in your resume, not introduction.
Okay, sir. In my resume, I can't explain. I am internship in. I am preparing for my structure engineering job from Unix Civil, in which I can draw residential plots and elevations of the plots and section of the plots and 3D view of the plots and
Okay.
residential and commercial also.
Difference between section and elevations.
Yeah, sir, in section we can cut the section from building, which from where you can stairs and toilet also view.
Stairs and toilet also visible.
Visible, sorry, sir, visible.
Okay. And what is elevation?
Elevation is side view, top view, front view of the building.
What is the shortcut key for design center in AutoCAD?
Which, sir?
Design center.
Design center, sir. I can't remember that, sir,
What
right now.
what is the use of baseline command in AutoCAD dimension? Baseline.
AutoCAD. AutoCAD.
You are trying to learn the Stat Pro, but you're trying to forget your AutoCAD. Got it? That's why I'm asking these questions. What is the standard A3 paper size?
Size, sir, size.
A3 paper size.
A3 paper size is, sir, shorter than A4 size, which is A4 size is 21 centimeter into 27 centimeter, which means A3 is approx 15 centimeter into 20 centimeter.
15 centimeter into
20 centimeter approx.
Okay. Tell me types of line. Line के प्रकार.
Sir, in AutoCAD we can use line command, polyline command.
Okay.
And
There are types of lines, but you forget about your back classes. Try to recall your previous classes.
yes, sir, I can't remember right
Okay.
now.
No issue.
Line. Sir, after that can बता देना आप 20 के बाद में ना, मैं भूल गया थोड़ा.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mr. Shamir. Now come with Alam.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Intikab Alam.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Alam, what was your achievements in 2022?
No achievement, sir.
No achievements?
22.
Yes, in 2022, what was your
20.
achievements? You done something?
Achievement.
Your achievements was you learn AutoCAD very well. This was your achievements.
Yes, sir. AutoCAD and Stat Pro learning.
Your Stat Pro. So you can just say कि my achievements was I learned very well AutoCAD in 2022.
Yes,
No
sir.
से तो अच्छा था ना ये.
Yes, sir.
What is your pass out year?
2020.
2020. And from 2020 to 22, what you do in last 2 years?
Last 2 years, I have worked in survey field.
You work for a survey, right? Survey company. So what was your
Yes.
work there?
Work rural water supply scheme.
Okay.
Work. Yes, sir.
Rural water supply scheme was there. Your work was there as a site engineer. For
Yes.
how long? 1 year or 2 years?
1 year, sir.
Why you want to come in designings? फंस गए.
Yes.
ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ के फंसा दिया जाएगा और फिर घर बैठा दिया जाएगा. तो हमें इनके आंसर्स क्या देने हैं, ठीक है? सोच के रखो, लिख के रखो कि इनके आंसर्स क्या. नहीं समझ आ रहा है ना, पूछ लो कि सर इसका आंसर क्या दूंगा कि मैं इस काम से इस काम में क्यों आया. तो तुम बोल सकते हो कि आई एम वेरी मच पैशनेट इन स्ट्रक्चर इंजीनियरिंग, बट एट द टाइम व्हेन आई जस्ट पास आउट माय डिग्री there was no jobs, like I did not get any jobs in structures. So for my surviving purpose I just joined the that whatever company name you said, I just for my surviving I just joined that company. But when I thought ki now this is the times I can move in my structures field, which is my favorite field, I am passionate for structure engineering. That's why I just joined the internship in Unix Civil, and that is near to finish. And फिनिश होने वाला नहीं, जस्ट उनको बताना है ऐसा कि फिनिश होने वाला, जिससे वो ज्वाइन तुमको हायर करे. दैट इज नियर टू फिनिश. And in that internship I learned many things in structure engineering. I learned about IS codes, I learned about Stat Pro, how to design any RCC buildings, any steel buildings, how to design, how can we provide the loads, and we just check okay, this is my software data, how can we utilize that software data in Excel sheet. different जितना तुमने सीखा है सब बता दो. कितना अच्छा लगा ना, कन्वर्ट हो गया सब कुछ. ठीक है, और तुमने एक जेन्युइन रीजन दे दिया कि भाई जॉब ही नहीं थी, खाना तो था, हमको सरवाइव करना था। ठीक,
यस
तो हमारे पास चीज़ों का आंसर होना चाहिए। ठीक है, और अभी तुम देखो मेडिकल स्टोर पे जाते हो तो मेडिकल स्टोर में कभी कभी एक दो मेडिकल स्टोर पे ऐसे थी कि जैसे उनके कोई दवाई लेने जाऊं तो फिर वो आधा घंटा ऐसे खोजता रहे चारों तरफ, कहाँ रखी कहाँ रखी कहाँ रखी। और कुछ के यहाँ कैसे है, पर्ची दिखाओ नहीं, वो सटीक जाता है उठा के दे देता है ना।
यस सर
और हमेशा हम लोग उसी की दुकान पे जाना पसंद करते हैं, क्यों? क्योंकि वहाँ पर हमारा टाइम बचता है, प्लस दवाई गलत नहीं देगा, उसको सबका एकदम पूरा पता है। तो तुम्हारे पास हर चीज़ का आंसर अगर रहेगा तब तो मैं तुमको हायर करने वाला हूँ, नहीं रहेगा अब तुम खोजोगे इधर उधर आंसर तो फिर मुझे लगेगा जिसके पास सारा आंसर है उसको हायर करूँ ना।
यस सर
ठीक है, मटेरियल मार्केट में बहुत है, हम यूनिक कैसे हो सकते हैं? हमारे चीज पास हर चीज का आंसर। सोचो कि हमसे क्या क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तुमसे पूछा जाएगा, व्हाट इज योर प्रोजेक्ट इन डिग्री, बताओ।
row houses project 36 feet by 50 feet
रो हाउस प्रोजेक्ट, व्हाट वाज योर रोल इन दैट प्रोजेक्ट?
plan
Planning.
section elevation. Yes sir.
Plan section elevations was your role in that. Okay, what was the standard size, room sizes was there?
10 feet into 12 feet.
Okay, 10 feet into 12 feet was your room sizes there, right?
Yes.
So how much area? 10 feet by 12 feet means how much area?
120 square feet.
120 square feet, very good. थैंक यू सो मच आलम, ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन दैट। ओके, समझ गए ना गलती?
यस सर।
ठीक है, इसीलिए मॉक का मेन एम यही है, हमें एहसास दिलाना में, आईना का काम है ये पूरा। मॉक का मतलब मिरर, सी योर सेल्फ, कहाँ वर्क करना है वर्क कर लेते हैं। ठीक है,
यस सर।
चलो ओके, नाउ आफ्टर आलम, ठीक है, मुजबिद्दीन, मोहम्मद मुजबिद्दीन, ऑन योर माइक प्लीज। और इसके बाद हम लोग आएंगे पृथ्वी विराज पाटिल के पास।
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mujbuddin. What was your achievements in 2022? Same question.
My big achievement is first I completed my engineering in 2022.
Very good. With ऐसे कॉल दो कि with अगर परसेंटेज ठीक ठाक है तो उसको भी कैलकुलेट करना दो।
Yes, sir. With 82%.
Excellent. Very good.
Yes, yeah, and I have completed my internship in my
AutoCAD.
course in AutoCAD.
Okay. Apart from this, in technical skills, I learned AutoCAD very well in 2020. ऐसे explain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. देखो ये तुम्हारे एक achievements है. And what's your plan to achieve the professional plans in 2023?
First, I want to complete my all structures softwares, my internship with Unix Civil, and to admission to in MTech in a good college.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
So this is your current plan, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your degree pass out year 2022, right? So what was your last semester subjects? Tell me your subjects name.
Construction, management, and entrepreneurship, and DRSS, design of reinforced concrete structures, and DSS, design of steel structures.
Okay.
And project.
So which book you follow for design of steel structures? Any reference book or just normal?
Notes, sir.
Normal notes, right? You follow the normal notes, right? Which IS code we use for steel structures?
IS 800.
IS 800 for that, right? So IS 800 you use for that, and IS 800 which year?
2007.
Okay, IS 800 2007 and IS 800 1984. What is the common difference between both?
IS 800 2007 works on क्या है 19 वो वर्किंग स्ट्रेस मेथड पे यूज होता था।
करेक्ट।
और ये लिमिट स्टेट मेथड LSM.
What is the difference between both?
It is economical LSM method is, and
okay. What is the principle of LSM? प्रिंसिपल मीन्स मेन रूल क्या है LSM से डिजाइन करने का? नो आइडिया, कोई बात नहीं. What are the IS codes, important IS codes in civil engineering? Tell me the names.
IS 456, IS 800, IS 875, IS 3. नहीं इसके लिए सर
13920.
13920. Yes.
Okay. What are the important material for RCC structures and their densities?
Cement cement density 1440.
Okay.
ये और brick 1800.
Okay.
PCC for 24 kilonewton per meter cube. RCC 25 kilonewton per meter cube. Steel 7850 की.
Very good.
Yes sir.
Okay. Good. What's your weakness?
My weakness is I am facing communication problem in English, which is I am working on it.
Okay, working on it. How many hours you like work on that? Your weaknesses. How many hours you spending the time on your weaknesses?
Now till now I am busy with my document verification purpose, so
okay, so try to work on that. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Majibuddin. After that, now Prithvi Viras Patil.
Yes sir, good evening sir.
Good evening. Patil, what's your pass out year?
Sir, 2022.
2022. And like what is your project in degree?
Sir, movable barriers sir.
Movable barrier. Just explain about your project.
Sir, our project is related to traffic to control
the traffic.
Yes sir, to control high traffic density and avoid the traffic congestion.
Okay, got it. Try to like I'll just tell you, even just trying to change this project, okay? Because
yes, sir.
Project is required if you become structure engineers. So if project is related to structures, na, so that is work for you.
Sir, this is only case study.
Yes, I got it. But if you just change this as a multi-story buildings, as a economical building, green building concept, something like that, na? So this.
Sir.
Yes.
I just want to tell you that my diploma project is, waste material used in road construction, like to be made plastic road.
Okay, for plastic road, good. The project is good, but actually I just want from every students try to write the project name is related to your structures. Okay, so that will be useful because you are going in structures company, na. So
yes, sir,
your shortlisting chances will be increased because of this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you pass out diploma pass out year?
Diploma pass out year, sir. 20.
Means you don't have gap. You don't have a gap. You don't have a gap.
19. Yes.
Okay. Patil, what are the technical skills you have?
Sir, I have completed AutoCAD and currently I am working on StatScope.
You completed AutoCAD. What is the use of dynamic input command?
Sir, it is used for the dialog box which is in our mouse which cursor.
Okay.
Mouse cursor, sir.
Okay. What is the use of press pull command in AutoCAD 3D?
Sir, it is useful for making 3D models.
Making 3D models. What is the use of union command in AutoCAD 3D?
Sir, to combine some
combine two 3Ds.
Sir,
You can say
But
कि this
no,
is just
sir.
like a
3D
joint.
This is sir, just like a joint.
Yes.
And we combine sir walls and etc.
Wall,
sir.
door.
बता नहीं पा रहा इंग्लिश में.
Okay, you can just say union is what? Union means like combine two objects. Okay, for combining the two objects, we can use the union command. Simple. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Patil. Just work on your communication first. Communication में तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम जा रही है, ठीक है? बाकी तो तुम एंसर्स कर सकते हो, बट कम्युनिकेशन में थोड़ा वर्क करो, चलेगा?
ओके सर.
ओके, चलो अभी सबका एक एक करके फीडबैक बताएंगे. नाउ साहिती, ऑन योर माइक प्लीज. साहिती.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Saiti, what is the use of purge command in AutoCAD?
Purge command is used to delete all extra blocks, layers,
Okay,
unused blocks or layers in a drawing.
correct, correct. What is the standard A3 paper size?
297 mm by 420 mm.
Very good. 297 by 420 mm. Great. Okay, and what is the use of multi-leaders in AutoCAD? Multi-leader command.
Multi-leader command is used to write the text by providing by selecting an object.
Okay.
Status.
Okay. When you write something, there are two commands, single line and multi-line text, right? In AutoCAD. What is the difference between single line and multi-line text?
In the single line, multi-line, we can write the text in two sentences, two lines.
Okay. And in single line, that only in line, one line.
In single line, attested we can fully write.
Okay. Only this is the as per you, like this is the only reason, right? Okay. What is the use of base? What is the? Okay, no issue. There are some mistakes. What is the use of baseline command in AutoCAD 3D? AutoCAD dimensions.
If we want to give dimensions continuously, we give a refer point and then we write the dimensions.
If
we'll give
you can say like if
from one point.
Yes, from one point. If you can say कि baseline is used for one base to continue dimensions. Okay, one base to continue dimensions. Okay, difference between line and polyline. Difference between line and polyline.
Polyline, difference between line and polyline. Polyline, we can't, if we want to delete entire object will be selected in polyline. I mean, it will be a continuous line.
Okay. Where you want to see yourself in next 3 years?
In the next 3 years, I want to be a senior structural engineer and then a team leader.
Team leaders? Or
between these two, I want.
Okay, great, great, very good. What are the skills you have, Saiti?
I have a good knowledge in AutoCAD and Stack Pro.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Saiti. This was nice to talk with you. Good, very good.
Thanks.
Saroj, on your mic, please.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. Saroj, you completed your assignments or not? First of all, tell me the answers of your assignments.
Sir, not right now, sir.
Why?
Sir, I'm very much busy in office work, sir.
Okay. Try to find out sometimes. This is more important, na? If you just join the classes, you can't get the complete benefits. Your aim is to become a higher position, right? That's why you join, na? So that is most important. Okay, so in office, what's your job profiles, job work?
Sir, right now I'm working as a estimation engineer and structure engineer.
Okay.
I basically check structure of residential, institutional, industrial,
Okay, so what type of check you're doing there?
like all beams, columns, and I have to go to site also. So
Okay.
that
What you
I'm
check
also
in?
working as a quality check also.
Okay, what do you check in columns, beams, and footings?
That mm, checking like
What type
steel,
checkings?
sir. Steel, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, steel spacings, percentage.
Yes, sir. Percentage steels and they give the crank and development length
Or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you create the reports, right?
Yes, sir.
You have some checkpoints, na? Ki, these are the data I'm going to check for this, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are you going to check in foundations?
Like foundation footing mesh, sir.
Okay.
Footing mesh, then foundation depth,
Okay.
then that L, sir.
How to decide?
Vertical.
How to decide footing depth?
Sir, footing depth is
There is a formula. SBC
forgot.
SBC by gamma bracket में 1 plus sin beta by 1 minus sin beta का square, right?
Yes.
So from that you can check the like how much depth required for that. Difference between footing and foundation.
Foundation is generally foundation is the combined of all the footing. Yes, sir. Combined of all the footing, and footing is an individual column, sir.
Footing is a individual.
Footing is an individual, and foundation is a combination of all the footing.
Combination of all the footings. Very good. What is the use of plinth beam? Why we provide the plinth beams? Okay.
Don't know, sir.
Okay, no issue. What is grade slab?
Grade slab.
Okay. What is the use of sunken slab?
Sir, to drain or to it is generally used for to drain the water closet area or balcony area, sir.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much, Saroj. This was nice to talk with you. First of all, try to complete your assignments. Okay, right now you're in home, na?
Right now.
You're bachelor or married?
Sir, bachelor.
So you have a time, na?
But right now I have to cook food also, sir.
If you prepare the food, it may be for 1 hour.
Yes, sir, 1 hour.
After that, you can just find out. Just check कि कहाँ पर gaps हो रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm not going to ask your personal things, but अब मोबाइल में देखो कि कितने घंटे WhatsApp और Instagram पे गया हुआ है.
No, sir. I'm not using Instagram and WhatsApp. I'm not using.
If you're not using that, is excellent. But maximum persons are like spending their 2 to 3 hours minimum on mobile phone. This is very minimum.
Many structure I have got from I have received from my office. I have to draw the structure of that project also, sir.
Got it. You know workplaces. No issue. Thank you so much. Okay, Sasank, you ready or you on site?
हेलो सर. हेलो सर.
हाँ Sasank, site.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
गुड इवनिंग. साइट पे तो नहीं हो?
नहीं सर, आ गए.
नहीं सर. ओके. सो क्या आज का काम क्या था तुम्हारा वहाँ पर साइट पे?
सर प्लिंथ कास्ट हो रहा था, कोल वो.
ओके. Why we provide the plinths?
Sir, plinth beam is used because columns do not deviate from their place when we fill soil up to the plinth.
Up to the plinth.
Column it helps column to remain in its place.
Okay. What is neck column? NECK, neck column.
So no idea.
You don't have idea for neck columns. Okay. What is strut column?
It's also no idea.
Floating column. What is the use of floating column?
Floating columns, I have no idea.
Floating column you don't know?
No, sir.
Floating column is called strut column. Floating column you don't know? Okay. No issue. This is very basics. That's why I'm asking. Okay, so what is the density of RCC?
Sir, density of RCC is 2500 kilonewton per meter cube.
2500 kilonewton per meter cube?
No, sir, 2500 kg per meter cube.
Kg per meter cube. So there are big difference between both. Okay, what is the density of water?
Density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube.
Okay. What pH of water we use for construction?
6 to 8.
6 to 8. Very good. Minimum spacings, how much we can provide for columns?
Minimum spacing between two columns.
Ties. Between ties.
100 mm. 100 mm.
100 mm. Okay. And in beams?
In beams also at our site is 150 mm we are providing. 150 in general, and where lap we are giving 100 mm.
Okay, in lappings you are using 100 mm, right? Yes. How much lap distance you are providing in columns?
Lap distance depends on the steel we are using. It's 20 mm we are using 50 to 20. It depends on the steel, lower dia of the steel.
Lower dia steel. Approx?
Approx is if it is 20 we are using 1 meter.
Okay. 50D. What is the use of development length?
Development length is used it is also called as anchorage length. It is given in beam so that it can join properly to the column.
Okay, very good. Sank, which IS code we use for wind load?
For wind load, sir, no idea.
You don't know about wind load? Which IS code we use for seismic load?
Seismic loads are seismic load के लिए सर लगता है कि earthquake load ही वाला शायद होता है 1893.
तो seismic और earthquake एक ही है ना? तुमने कौन सा लेक्चर्स तुम लेक्चर्स वॉच कर रहे हो? कितने लेक्चर्स वॉच किए तुमने अब तक में?
सर स्टैट प्रो up to 7 lectures और AutoCAD up to 8 lecture.
ओके, पीछे चल रहे हो अभी? स्टैट प्रो में मैंने 8 लेक्चर दिया हुआ है.
हाँ सर 7 हो गया सर.
Okay, try to finish. Okay. Thank you so much, Sasank. Just try to improve your technical things because this is important for your interview. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Vaibhav.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. You have a good patience.
Yes, sir.
You are last. Okay. So this is sometimes very good for like suppose you go for any interviews. One of my students goes for interviews. And interview just said he just sits outside for 1.5 hours. So he was just sit there and he just trying to access the mobile phones. He just called me, sir, like he said ki you can just wait for a bit outside for 1 hour. And I'm waiting from last 1.5 hours. तो मैंने उसको फोन पे बोल दिया, मेरे मुंह से निकल गया यू आर रिजेक्टेड. तो उसको हैरान हो गया कि ऐसा सर ने क्यों बोल दिया. और हुआ भी वही. ठीक है, क्यों? बिकॉज दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू चेक द पेशेंस. पर वो क्या था, वहाँ पर कैमरा लगा हुआ था. दे आर जस्ट लाइक शोइंग कि ओके क्या क्या कर रहा है देख लेते हैं. तो ही वॉज ऑल टाइम्स यूज द लाइक फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, व्हाट्सएप, समझ सकते हो सारी चीज़ों को यूज करता रहा. अपने गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड में भी लगा रहा. तो मिला के वो 1.5 घंटे को अच्छे से यूटिलाइज किया. ठीक है, बाद में फायर हो गया. रीज़न कि उनको देखना था कि ये 1 घंटे में करता क्या है. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Bebo, what's your pass out year?
Sir, I am currently doing diploma in second year.
Diploma you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you second year. So what's your subject in your diploma second year?
Second year, sir. In currently third sem, I am learning about concrete technology, highway engineering, mechanics of structure, that is also known as strength of material, and sir, building construction and AutoCAD.
What is civil engineering?
Civil engineering, sir, the planning about buildings and cities, towns in a proper manner.
Okay, only this is the civil engineering?
No, sir. Actually, building an infrastructure for the development of country.
Development of country. Okay. What are the important IS codes in civil engineering?
First of all, sir, IS 456, that is we used for RCC, and IS 875 part 1 to part 5 is for loads. Part 1 is dead load, part 2 is live load, and part 3 was wind load.
Part 4?
Sir, I don't know exactly.
Part 4?
That is, I don't know exactly.
And part
sir,
5?
No, sir, also
Okay.
I don't.
Next?
Sir, I know about only 2, sir.
Only 2 you know. Okay. Okay, because you are in second years, right? So your
Yes.
first year percentage was
85%, sir.
85. How much cover we provide in column?
40 mm, sir.
40 mm. Okay, why we provide cover?
So to avoid corrosion of steel.
To saving from corrosion of the steel, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. And how much cover we provide for beam?
25 mm.
25 mm. And in slab?
15 mm.
15 mm in slabs. Okay.
In footing 50 mm.
In footing 50 mm. And in raft foundation?
So I don't know exactly.
Okay, no issue. How to calculate beam depth?
Span by 250. 150.
वो तो डिफ्लेक्शन चेक करते हैं. चलो कोई
No,
बात
sir, I don't learn about that, sir.
Okay.
Any
What
subject
is
about
cement? What is cement?
Cement is, sir, bonding material used for concreting.
Okay, very good. चलो गुड, थैंक यू सो मच मिस्टर वैभव. ठीक है, अभी तुम्हारा सेकेंड ईयर, उसके हिसाब से तुमने बताया, दैट्स गुड. ओके, चलो लगभग सबका ही ओके था, अच्छा था सबका. अनिल गॉट 5 मार्क्स. अनिल थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेशन पे और काम कर लो तो और अच्छा हो जाएगा. आतिश कम्युनिकेशन की वजह से 4.5 मिला. अजीम गॉट गुड स्कोर 6, आई थिंक दिस इज हाईएस्ट. विक्रम गॉट 4.5. नितिन गॉट 4. नितिन इंट्रोडक्शन पे वर्क करो. रेहान गॉट 5 कम्युनिकेशन पे. रेहान. समीर सेम टेक्निकल स्किल पे समीर 4. रेहान 5. हसन 4. इनका आलम गॉट 4. आलम हर चीज़ का आंसर प्रिपेयर करो कि किस चीज़ का क्या आंसर मुझको देना है. मुजबुद्दीन तुमने 5 मार्क्स. कम्युनिकेशन पे तुमको भी काम करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. पृथ्वीव्रज पाटिल तुम्हें कम्युनिकेशन और टेक्निकल स्किल दोनों पर काम करना पड़ेगा. साइथी गॉट गुड स्कोर 5.5. सरोज गॉट 5 एंड शशांक गॉट 4. वैभव गॉट 5. ठीक है, तो लगभग सबने ही अच्छा अपना क्या बोलते हैं रिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ है, पर हमें और बेहतर करना है. सबसे ज़्यादा बेहतर क्या करना है? इंट्रोडक्शन और प्रोजेक्ट. तो आज का हमारा टाइटल ही क्या था? इंट्रोडक्शन और प्रोजेक्ट को घर पे आज जाके थोड़ा सा लिख लीजिएगा कि ये चीज़ें करना है. ठीक है, आज आपको असाइनमेंट्स नहीं दे रहा हूँ, कुछ लोग के असाइनमेंट्स कंप्लीट नहीं हुए हैं, तो जिसके नहीं हुए हैं वो लोग कर लो. ठीक है, आकांक्षा को आज प्रॉब्लम है मॉक देने में. ठीक है, उन्होंने पहले इन्फॉर्म कर दिया था. और क्या बोलते हैं, सुभाषिस को भी प्रॉब्लम है, बट ओके, दैट्स ओके. ठीक है, तो सबको कुछ नहीं करना है, केवल लेक्चर नंबर 9 वॉच कर लेना है. ठीक है, ठीक है, लेक्चर नंबर 9 को केवल वॉच कर लेना है, बाकी कोई काम नहीं करना है आपको. आज आपका नो असाइनमेंट्स है, सो एंजॉय योर डे. हाँ बोलो आलम, बोलो, कुछ बोलना चाह रहे हो?
सर ये ग्राउंड बीम और प्लिंथ बीम में सर क्या डिफरेंस है सर?
ठीक है, बता देता हूँ. और इन्होंने बोला है कि बेस लाइन को एक्सप्लेन कर दिए सर. ठीक है, चलो पूछो तो थोड़ा शॉर्ट में बता देता हूँ. बेस लाइन मतलब होता है कि क्या बोलते हैं, एक बेस बना के कंटिन्यू क्या बोलते हैं उसी बेस से कंटिन्यू डायमेंशन करना, दैट इज द यूज ऑफ बेस लाइन कमांड. साहिती ने इसका आंसर दिया भी था. एंड ग्राउंड बीम और प्लिंथ बीम जो होती है, ग्राउंड बीम जहाँ से आप वर्क स्टार्ट करते हो, प्लिंथ मतलब जहाँ से आपका ब्रिक का लोड स्टार्ट हो जाता है कि भाई यहाँ से आप ब्रिक आना स्टार्ट हो गया तो हमारा क्या हो गया, हमारा प्लिंथ वर्क हो गया. तो आप जनरली तो लोग प्लिंथ देते हैं तो ग्राउंड नहीं देते हैं. अगर दोनों देते हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एक फुटिंग को कनेक्ट करने का काम कर रहा है, एक वॉल के लोड लेने का काम कर रहा है, दैट्स इट. ठीक है, और एक भी दिया तो चलता है. ठीक है, बाकी कल एक्सप्लेन करेंगे जिसके भी जो डाउट्स रहेंगे, इंटरव्यू में क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा गया उसका आंसर क्या देना है, कल मैं आपको बताऊंगा। लगे तो आप लिख के रखना, ये वीडियो अभी मैं डाल दूंगा यूट्यूब पे, वो गुरुकुल वाला जो चैनल है पर्सनल वाला, उस पर देख लेना। जिस क्वेश्चंस का आंसर आपको लग रहा है कि सर इसका क्या आंसर देना चाहिए, समझ में नहीं आता है, कल सबसे पहले वो पूछना, फिर आगे चलेंगे। कोई जल्दी नहीं है, जल्दी है तो परफेक्ट होने का जल्दी होना है, ठीक है। चलो तो इतना ही रखते हैं, क्योंकि अभी नेक्स्ट क्लास है तो अभी एक्सप्लेन करूंगा तो टाइम जाएगा। कल आप लोग क्वेश्चन पूछना कि जो मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा हूँ उसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है, और फिर मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा इन डिटेल्स, ठीक है। हाँ जी,
हेलो सर।
सीसी डिटेलिंग सीखने वाले हो। हाँ पाटिल बोलो।
सर मुझे आप कोई स्ट्रक्चर का प्रोजेक्ट भेज सकते हो क्या?
अभी के लिए?
हाँ, स्ट्रक्चर रिलेटेड।
हाँ, क्या करना है, काम क्या है, मतलब उसके हिसाब से बताओ।
सर उसी के लिए, इंटरव्यू के लिए। अभी मेरा प्रोजेक्ट तो स्ट्रक्चर से रिलेटेड नहीं है ना, तो इसलिए।
अच्छा, वो क्या बोलते हैं तुम्हें, प्रोजेक्ट चेंज करने के लिए ना। मैं प्रोजेक्ट कराऊंगा, जो कराऊंगा उसको करना, मतलब तुम्हें कॉन्फिडेंस रहे ना कि मैंने किया हुआ है।
ओके सर, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम।
मैं प्रोजेक्ट कराऊंगा क्लास में, उस प्रोजेक्ट को तुम चेंज, तो तुम्हें कॉन्फिडेंस रहेगा कि मैं आंसर दे सकता हूँ उसका, ठीक है।
यस सर।
ठीक है, सबको ही कराऊंगा। उसके बाद जिसको जो प्रोजेक्ट अच्छा लगेगा, 5-6 प्रोजेक्ट करने वाले हो आप लोग, मिनिमम 5-6, वैसे तो 10 भी जाएंगे, तो उसमें से जो अच्छा लगेगा कर लेना, ठीक है।